Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Counter-Strike 2 VAC was unable to verify your game session error. So let's begin. So here we are in our desktop, and the first thing that we need to do is the most common solution for this is to verify your game file. So to do that, we need to go into our Steam app right here. And once you're here, you want to go into your Counter-Strike 2 app, and then you want to right click on it, go into properties and go into installed files and click on verify integrity of game files. And now all we have to do is wait for the results of this. If there are errors that will be detected right here, then I suggest you take action on them so that you can solve your problem. And it's usually just by uninstalling your Counter-Strike 2 and then reinstalling it once again. And after this, once you have verified all the integrity files right here and you have no issues that has been found, then what I suggest is you go into your task manager. You will end the task related to Steam, so all Steam apps right here would be ended task right here. So end task for all Steam right here. Make sure that Steam is not running on your background, and then after that you want to go and relaunch your Steam right here. So let's go and relaunch our Steam right here. And yes, and as you can see, it's currently updating, and so on, continue. And from here, you want to try and running the CS2 once again, and you would see if the problem has been fixed. Then if not, then we can go to the next step. But before that, let's just wait for this to load right here. And yeah, go into library and test it out if it's working. But if not, then follow this next step, which is simply going into your properties again, right click on Counter-Strike 2 right here, and you want to make sure that your launch options right here is empty. And the next thing is that you want to go into the installed files right here, and you want to go into browse. And now what you want to do is that you simply need to go into here in the search bar, type in CS2, and then from here you can see the CS2 application, and then you want to right click on it. Right click, select it first, then right click, and then go into properties, and you want to go into compatibility, and you can run this compatibility mode. So I suggest that you choose between 7 or 8, which one works best for you. But I think Windows 8 works the best for me. And you just want to make sure that you have your run this program as administrator. This is the only one that you need. And you can also do this if you'd want to, but if this is causing your error, then you should just uncheck it, just like this one, and then click on apply, and then OK. And then now you can start your Counter-Strike 2 again and see that the problem is solved. Thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.